Dude, no way.
There you go, man.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Oh!
Hold on, we gotta split these.
Dang, you loaded up, bro.
These, dude. Let's see. Wait, how many is it? I heard that they're supposed to drop some in like
Sam's Club. I bought a membership for it.
Did you?
Yep, 20 bucks was the membership. Let's see what happens. Okay, kept the Phantasmal. And you don't want them?
No, go ahead.
You sure?
Yeah. Maybe you'll pop something else too.
Hey, you never know. Oh, there you go. Put some Mega in there.
Oh, okay. I got my hopes up for more.
I haven't seen it refresh a couple times like that.
Alright, man.
Hey, have a good one, bro. Take it easy.